We're here. We're on our way to the destination. So we almost got late, but now we're like 15 minutes away. No, less than 15 minutes away now. So we're right on time. Hey guys, so we stopped at a restaurant nearby to have lunch. Their food was good. There was nothing new. Their dishes are just the same as those of Chinese people, so it was quite good. And then from there we headed to the volcanoes. Guys, the view was amazing. It was so refreshing. It was really good. I really enjoyed myself at the volcanoes, though it was a little bit hot, but anyway, it's okay. I didn't have my hiking shoes on, but I just managed to move around and it was fun. I had so much fun. We have arrived at our hotel room. So when you get inside, you first see the bathroom. So the bathroom, the toilet, the sink over there, the bathroom towels, and then we have double single beds for me and my friend. Yeah, and then we have the TV over here and the little piece of artwork, the water, okay, the mugs and the electric jar. Oh, the closet. Yes, this is the closet. I don't know if you guys can see it clearly. And let's see the view. What view do we have here? Do we still have some volcanoes going on here? All right, so we have two armchairs over here and a table, two for two people. All right, so from here, guys, don't mind this. This is not my hotel room. The windows are dirty. This is our view. So it's like there's a sort of a company over there. I can see the smoke, but it's not bad. So guys, day one is done. We own to day two. See you at the desert.